Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga kababayan! This is At Home with Mardy and welcome to the ultimate channel for fans of Filipino action cinema, martial arts, and legendary icons, where we dive into the life, legacy, and impact of one of the Philippines' greatest action stars, Ronnie Ricketts. From his explosive roles in classic films like Target, Sparrow Unit, and Mano Mano, to his powerful influence in martial arts and public service, Ronnie's story is more than just action. It's about discipline, purpose, and transformation. Join us as we uncover rare footage, behind-the-scenes stories, film retrospectives, and exclusive insights into the man behind the legend. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Born Ronaldo Naldo Calzado Ricketts on May 25, 1965 in Manila, Ronnie grew up in a family deeply immersed in martial arts. His older brother, Grandmaster Christopher Tuffer Ricketts, introduced him to Okinawan Karate at age 5. Ronnie attended Don Bosco for primary school and Philippine Christian University Union High School, where he captained the basketball team, later studying business management in college. Ronnie's martial arts training spans from karate, budokan, kudo, and Ngocho Kung Fu to boxing, arnis, and knife fighting. He also trained Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and MMA, embracing a modern, integrated approach. He is a senior first-generation member of Bakbakan International, the organization co-founded by his brother, and helped develop the Sagasa system, a powerful Filipino martial arts style combining striking, grappling, and weapons techniques. Ronnie began as a ramp model, discovered by comedy legend Dolphy, who cast him in early films like My Heart Belongs to Daddy in 1982 and I Love You, I Hate You in 1983. He became a prominent action star in the 80s and 90s with notable roles in Target Sparrow Unit, earning a famous nomination, Tatak ng Isang Api, and Isa-isahin Ko Kayo. In 1994, he founded Rockets Production, producing, writing, directing, often credited as Ron Rick, and starring in films like Mano Mano and its two sequels. His international work includes Ultimate Revenge and Angel on Fire, both in 1995. After a hiatus, he returned with The Fighting Chefs in 2013, Exit Point in 2019, and I Will, the Doc Willie Ong story in 2020. From 2009 to 2016, Ronnie held the position of chairman of the Optical Media Board, an agency combating media piracy. During his tenure, the OMB garnered anti-piracy accolades, but Ronnie later faced a graft case related to mishandling seized DVDs. He was convicted in 2019, then acquitted by the Supreme Court in 2022, which also lifted his travel restrictions. He also served as president of the Philippine Film Actors Guild and has been an active spokesperson for anti-piracy and public service. In 2025, Ronnie made his TV comeback on GMA7, Mga Batang Riles, mentoring unprivileged youth through martial arts. He contributed both on screen and behind the scenes, sharing his fight choreography and martial arts expertise. He married actress Maris on December 18, 1993. They have two daughters, Mariela and Rachel, and have been together for over 30 years. Maris often shares the spotlight with him, and they've openly described their enduring partnership. Concerned about meaningful public service, Ronnie has stated that he won't enter politics unless motivated by a genuine mission. Ron Ricketts is a Filipino Renaissance man, distinguished martial artist, award-winning actor, multitasking producer and director, and public servant. With 4 decades of influence in entertainment and government, he continues to impact martial arts training, storytelling, and advocacy in the Philippines. Thank you very much for watching. And according to a famous quote, "In my life, I've lived, I've loved, I've lost, I've missed, and I've hurt. I've trusted, I've made mistakes, but most of all, I've learned." Shout out and thanks to the comment of Tiscalis Texon. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my sources from Google, photo credits to themoviedb.org, and inspirational quote credits to lifehack.org.